this is not just a car. This is time, frozen in steel. In the corner of a forgotten garage, a 1995 Toyota Supra sits buried under dust, rust, and silence. Years have passed without movement. The paint has faded, metal has corroded, and what was once a symbol of performance now looks abandoned. But even in this condition, there is something worth saving. Restoration doesn't begin with tools. It begins with observation. The first touch is water. A powerful stream breaks through years of dirt and grime. Mud slides away. Hidden surfaces begin to reappear. The original shape of the Supra starts revealing itself, as if waking up after a long sleep. Foam covers the body. Soft brushes move across the surface, lifting away the past without rushing the process. With every rinse, the truth becomes clearer. The dirt is gone, but the damage remains. Now, the real work begins. The car is carefully dismantled. Each bolt is loosened with patience. Panels are removed one by one. The headlights, the wheels, the interior, everything is separated, inspected, and set aside. What remains is the bare structure, exposed, honest, ready to be rebuilt. Rust is the biggest enemy. It spreads quietly over time, threatening the very foundation of the car. But here, it is faced directly. Grinding tools remove the corrosion. Sparks flicker briefly, and beneath the damage, solid metal begins to return. Sanding follows. Slow, consistent, controlled movements transform rough surfaces into smooth foundations. Where the metal has been lost, it is rebuilt. Welding restores strength. Small gaps are filled, damaged sections are repaired with precision. Nothing is rushed. Every detail matters. Once the structure is strong again, attention shifts to refinement. Body filler is applied carefully, then sanded down until every surface feels seamless. The car begins to regain its form, not just repaired, but perfected. Meanwhile, the heart of the Supra receives equal attention. The engine is cleaned piece by piece. Old oil, dust, and residue are removed. Every component is inspected. Worn parts are replaced. New hoses, belts, and systems are installed. Everything is brought back to working condition. Suspension and brakes are restored as well. The body is cleaned once more, removing every trace of dust. Masking is applied carefully, protecting areas before paint. Then comes the most satisfying stage. Primer is sprayed evenly across the surface, creating a uniform base. It hides the repairs, preparing the car for its new identity. After drying, the surface is sanded again, perfectly smooth, ready for color. And then, paint. Layer by layer, a deep, rich color is applied. Each pass is controlled and steady. The Supra begins to shine again. The transformation is undeniable. Clear coat follows, adding depth, gloss, and protection. Under the lights, the surface reflects like glass. But the process doesn't end there. Polishing brings out perfection. Machines glide across the paint, refining the finish to a mirror-like shine. Every detail is enhanced. Every curve is highlighted. Now, it's time to bring everything back together. The headlights return, clear and bright. The panels are reinstalled with precision.
A little more to the left, hold it right there.
Does that gap look right, sir?
Yes, that's perfect. Go ahead and tighten the bolts.
Fresh wheels are mounted. The interior is restored clean and complete. Piece by piece, the Supra becomes whole again. Finally, the moment arrives. The engine is ready. After all the work, after every step of restoration, there is only one thing left to do. It starts. Not with noise, but with confidence. A smooth, steady revival. The car that once sat abandoned now stands restored, stronger, cleaner, and alive again. From rust to reflection, from silence to motion, from forgotten to flawless. This is more than restoration. This is respect for engineering, patience in craftsmanship, and the beauty of transformation.